Hey there! Feeling excited to visit us, but you're a little confused about where Robocare is. Let's find the location together. Google will show Robocare's location is on Dataran, cascades like this. Let's inspect it more closely. If in detail, Robocare's address is at the RCQ Eternity SDN BHD office. Let's get you directions. When you arrive, head to the parking lot on level LG1. It's conveniently located on the right side of the building. Now, keep your eyes peeled for the ATSKY signage as you drive along the slope. That's your cue to turn left and enter LG1. After parking your car, step out and head towards the entrance beside the LG1 lobby. Just walk straight ahead and then take a right turn. There you'll find the elevators, and head up to level LG. LG floor. Turn left and get ready for a delicious sight. You'll see the Enjoy Your Food Cafe. Yum! Keep walking straight until you pass Muba Cafe. Then, it's time for another turn, this time, a right one. Follow the corridor with Anticipation Building. Here comes another elevator stop. Grab the first one, on your right. And this time, let's head all the way up to level 3. Hooray! You've arrived! Our office is right there, on your right side. Don't be shy. Just press the doorbell, and we'll be thrilled to welcome you in. You can visit our website for more detailed information, if you are interested in finding out more about us. Let's get you on board with the satisfaction our customers have experienced after servicing robot vacuums at Robocare. Now it's your turn.